So today we have a great big box of PR. And so let's take this out of the box and see what we got. So this is the box inside of the box. And these are the specifications for what we have. And we have some other information. It also says do not drench in water, do not throw in the garbage can, and forbid children to play alone with it. And this is what we have, y'all. I'm so excited. This is going to be very cool. This is what the side of the box says. Some more information. And this is... I had to move the box to the other room because it's big enough that I couldn't fit it on my table. So let's check out what's inside. Please don't mind if I'm a little shaky, but I'm having to hold the camera up because my tripod would not be high enough to see it. So here is our product manual and how to put it together. And so it comes with a screwdriver, and I'm not sure what this is. And I have a kitty cat that's helping me out. Okay, so this is the plug-in adapter. And I'm assuming these are the feet. And y'all, these are really heavy. So, yay. So that should secure it. And here's the lamp itself. And it is big, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Pretty diamond. Rhinestone studding all the way around. So we will get to putting this together and see what we think. And those are the controls, y'all. That is to the light dimmers and a heat switch. It took me about 5 minutes, if that, to put it together. Got all the feet on. There's 2 screws holding each foot on, and it's got a slip resistant bottom side to the feet. So let's go put it together, plug it in. Alright, so the lamp is now set up, and we're going to go look at the controls. So the bottom control is your on and off and your dimmer switch. So here's your dimmer. And then it has a control. This top control is for your cool light and your warm light. This is on warm light, and this is the cool light. So there is what it looks like when you're doing your nails. And there's the warm light when you're doing your nails. So you have really good lighting, and if you do filming, content creator, then this is really going to be a game changer for you for filming. See, it's absolutely great for filming. So anyway, here is the light, and if you like this and want to check one out for yourself, go ahead, and I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description box so you can check it out. It was not super expensive like a lot of these moonlights are. I will say that you may want to put some Velcro under the legs and on your table to make sure it doesn't fall over if you knock it. But otherwise, fabulous product. Can't wait to use it. Do a set with it. It will probably also help with my sewing projects, making it easier to see. So anyway, super exciting about this light. I've wanted one forever, and now I have one.